Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find and join steal a Brainrot trading servers on Discord. It's actually super easy, so let's get started. First, open your Discords and head over this section, okay? On the left side, click on Discover. Make sure you're on the Servers tab, and then over here, click on the search bar and look for Steal a Brainrot Trading. Hit enter and then it might take a few seconds and boom, you will now have lots of servers available in front of you. So ideally, we need to join a server that has lots of members in it. So this one is perfect. Click on that. It will show you what the server looks like and then just click on join right over here. And that's it. You have now successfully joined Discord servers for the Steal a Brainrot trading. I hope you found this video very helpful.